Wondrous Kids TV.
Hi, friends. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we get to learn all about feelings and emotions. Feelings and emotions are the ways our hearts talk to us. They help us know if we're happy, sad, mad, or excited. This feeling is happy. Show me your biggest smile. When we're happy, we feel warm and excited inside. This feeling is sad. Sometimes we feel sad. Tears might come, and that's okay. Let's pretend to wipe our eyes. There we go. This is angry. Can you stomp your feet just once? When we're angry, taking big breaths helps us calm down. Silly. Silly means you feel playful and want to make funny faces, giggle, or do goofy things that make people laugh. Sometimes we feel scared. If you ever feel scared, you can hug a grown-up or a stuffed animal. Shy. Shy means you feel quiet or nervous around new people or places. You might want to stay close to someone you trust until you feel comfortable. Excited. It means you feel really, really happy and you can't wait for something fun to happen. Your body might want to jump, smile big, or wiggle because you're so full of energy. Tired. It means your body feels slow and sleepy. After a long day of school or play, your eyes might want to close and you need rest or a nap to feel better. Confused. It means you don't understand something yet, and your brain is trying to figure it out. Brave. It means you try something new or hard, even if it feels a little scary. You don't give up. You keep going. Calm. It means your body feels quiet and peaceful. You're relaxed, your breathing is slow, and everything feels gentle inside. Proud. It is a big, happy feeling inside your chest when you do something great. Like tying your shoes, winning a race, sharing with a friend, or learning something new. Lonely. It means you feel sad because you want someone to play with or be near. It's okay to ask for a hug when you feel lonely. Frustrated. It is a feeling you get when something is tricky or not going your way. You might want to stomp your feet or take a deep breath. It's okay. Everyone feels frustrated sometimes. Worried. It is a feeling you get when you're not sure what will happen. Maybe you wonder if something is safe or if you'll be okay. It's okay to feel worried. You can take a deep breath or ask for help. Surprised. It is a feeling you get when something happens all of a sudden. Maybe a friend says boo, or you see a fun gift. It makes you feel wide-eyed and amazed. Jealous. It is a feeling you get when you see someone else with something you want. It's okay to feel jealous. You can talk about your feelings or take a deep breath. Embarrassed. It is a feeling you get when something happens that makes your cheeks feel warm or your heart feel funny. Maybe you tripped, said something silly, or forgot something. It's normal, and it goes away. Thankful. It is a happy feeling you get when you notice something good in your life. Like friends, family, toys, food, or hugs. Thankful is when your heart feels happy because of something someone did for you. Saying thank you shows you're thankful. Great job learning feelings today. Remember, all feelings are okay. Tell a grown-up how you feel anytime.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.